Last year, in North America, over 300 million in hemp stock was wasted due to an inability to process the material into its two components, fiber and core hurd. We know this because we have talked to over 300 North American farmers, all looking for a solution. There are 1,500 existing hemp farms in Canada, and over 21,000 hemp permits were issued in the US this year. We have designed, developed, and built the R2 hemp stock processing system, a self-contained, portable, modular, high-performance farm machine to address this problem. In 2019, rigorous testing began on the R2's helical head design. The results? Spectacular. The addition of straw walkers on the back end of the helical heads allow for the separation into two streams, the fiber and the hurd. Digital control controls the entire system. Bale rippers added to the back end of the machine mean that the R2 is capable of processing up to 2 tons of raw stock per hour. Mounting all of this machinery in one 40-foot container means that the R2 can travel from farm to farm.